In today's video, I will tell you everything you need to know about that how you can become a forklift driver in Australia. To become a forklift driver, you need a forklift license. Other requirements may apply depending on your employer, such as high-risk work license. Step number 1, apply for a forklift license through a local training provider. Training usually takes around 1 to 2 days to complete. If required, apply for high-risk work license with the relevant licensing body in your state or territory. Consider completing a relevant vocational qualification to broaden your skills. This could be a Certificate 3 in supply chain operation. To advance your career, consider undertaking further study such as Diploma of Logistics. What is it like to be a forklift driver? Forklift driver operate machinery to stack, unstack or shift items in warehouse, timber yard, shipping terminals or factories. They ensure loads are spread evenly and secure to reduce the risk of an accident in the workplace. What are the tasks and duties? Load and unload containers and trucks, transport goods to designated areas, use the correct equipment in a safe, efficient way to minimize damage to stock and equipment, inspect, control and perform minor repair to reduce wear and damage to forklifts. So now I will go on to the website called seek.com and see what are the jobs available in Australia in forklift driving. Here I am onto the website seek.com.au. I typed forklift driver in search option and I will choose a suburb, let's say Sydney, New South Wales, or I will choose Sydney CBD inner west eastern suburb, New South Wales. Alright, click on seek and there is a job available here which is featured job, forklift operator, yard hand, MBS sand and cement. The location is Matraville, Sydney, New South Wales. Wages are $28 to $30 an hour. Warehousing, storage, distribution, career growth and development opportunities, company culture and value. Family owned company with over 40 years of industry experience. There is another one, baggage handler, Sydney Airport, New South Wales. Mascot, Sydney, New South Wales is the location and the company name is Work Fast and wages are $26 to $35 per hour. No experience required, all on job training, on-site parking, start immediately. Alright, so there is another one, LOLF forklift operators, only quality people. Banks Meadows, Sydney, New South Wales, $40 to $41 per hour is the wages. Botany location, secure on-site parking, 5 a.m. to 1 p.m., $40 per hour. Minimum 37.5 hours average per week, I think. Global leader in transport and logistics. Another one, container yard heavy forklift operator, PM shift, MKD Transcorp, Banks Meadows, Sydney, New South Wales, 38.50 plus shift loading, warehousing, storage and distribution, good site condition, great terms environment, weekly pay, good rates. Alright, so there are so many jobs in forklift driving everywhere in Sydney, New South Wales. Now let's have a look at the Melbourne CBD inner suburb. Click on seek and here forklift driver ASAP start, APG workforce, North Melbourne, Victoria, $30 to $37 per hour is the wages. On-site parking, long-term placement opportunities, work with well-known large company. Calling experienced forklift drivers. Okay, another one is storeman forklift operator, construct personnel private limited is the company name, Melbourne, Victoria, $35 to $40 per hour. Another one, reel grab forklift operator, ACFC Port Logistic, West Melbourne, full-time permanent position, fantastic team environment, never a dull day. Alright, so let's have a look now. Queensland, Brisbane, forklift operator, FIP Group, Brisbane QLD, warehousing, storage, distribution, Monday to Friday, full-time hours, positive and motivating work environment. Other one, high reach forklift driver, third-party containers, $34 to $35 per hour is the wages. And the other one, forklift driver, mining and project project logistic. Hendra, Brisbane, Queensland, $30 to $40 per hour is the wages, and so many jobs in Brisbane as well and all other cities of Australia. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you found this information really helpful, and this information will really help you getting into this career of forklift driving. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.